Hi, I'm Greg Chujayan. I am the owner and orthopedic surgeon at TJ Orthopedics and Sports Medicine. I live here in Westlake Village. I grew up in Santa Barbara. I'm married now for 21 years, my wife Tommy. I have 3 daughters, ages 19, 17, and 13. I started practice in the year 2000 when I graduated from my training. I worked with a group of doctors who were specialists in knee surgery, specifically knee replacement and sports medicine of the knee. We were team doctors for the Knicks, we were team doctors for the Yankees. When I looked at my training and developing my practice, I developed it as taking care of a particular body part. If it requires arthroscopic surgery, I'll be able to perform the arthroscopic surgery. If it requires us to repair a fracture, repair something, we would be able to do that. If we have to reconstruct something, if it's a first time or a revision of something, we have the ability to do that. So we're using all the skill sets together from all the different subspecialties of orthopedics to take care of a particular joint. Specifically, I take care of shoulders, hips, and knees. So when I was about 40 years old, I kind of looked at myself. I felt that I was pretty successful as a doctor. However, I really wasn't in the best of shape. I don't think physicians are actually examples of health, although they're advocates of health. So being an athlete and being a triathlete and also being a physician, I can relate to what people want to see in a doctor. They don't want to be told not to run. They don't want to be told not to do their continuing activities. Sports medicine that I practice is really helping somebody stay active, preserve their joints, not necessarily having surgeries, but modifying their lifestyle, modifying their activities, or potentially doing certain kind of exercises to help promote their joint health. I believe in fitness for longevity. I think to live long, we have to be active. And if you can't be active because of your joints ailing you, then there's a remedy to this. And being in the practice for nearly 20 years, I've just seen a need for a specialty urgent care. A lot of people will get a minor injury, end up going to the emergency room, spending a lot of money, getting unnecessary tests, maybe getting a misdiagnosis, and still needing to call the next day to see their orthopedic doctor, and then taking 2 or 3 days to see an orthopedic specialist. Seeing all these needs and seeing the fact that people are spending exorbitant amounts of money in their emergency rooms, I came up with the concept of Urgent Ortho Care, which is basically an orthopedic specialty urgent care where you'll be able to walk in with an injury, see an orthopedic specialist in a very short period of time. We're going to get you right on the treatment path immediately so that you may recover, return to your active lifestyle. We have state-of-the-art equipment, we have digital imaging, we have a comprehensive team that takes care of all the different ailments that people may have. We can do fracture reductions, we can give light sedation. Being that I'm an athlete myself, I really try to listen to my patients and see what their symptoms are. So I felt that there was a need in this community. We're a very active community. We live in the Santa Monica Mountains. We have tons of sports, football, soccer, baseball. A lot of people have a need to get to see a specialist right away, and getting the proper diagnosis immediately will get you out to recovery much faster. My goal is very similar to my patients, is to get them better. The way we like to think of it is the right treatment right now. If you are suffering from joint damage or pain and you're ready to start your recovery process, feel free to visit my website or call our office. We would be happy to schedule a consultation for you. And if you want to find out more about joint health, check out other videos on my channel.